Erin, professional makeup artist, and I'm here to show you today how to use cotton balls to exfoliate the face. Actually, I'm going to use a cotton round. Cotton balls are okay for exfoliation, but cotton rounds actually have a little bit more of texture built into them, and so that's going to work better. You can actually use it in full right now, or you can tear it apart and extract it a bit. It's up to you. So the best way to do this is we already have a moistened face because that's what we need for exfoliation, or else it can get more irritated. And we are just going to spray some water onto our cotton rounds and really just work it into the skin. I'm going to actually go with the one I tore apart first. And this is really just a great option compared to the exfoliating products that we see on the market because they come with either the grains of sand or just the harsh beading. So this is just a nice gentle way to exfoliate. It's just an alternative, especially for our gentle, sensitive skin clients. So you could use that one, or you can use this full one that has the built-in textured side into it. And we're really just working that in. Everywhere and everywhere. Small circles, that's gonna actually help exfoliate as well, but we're still remaining gentle. I'm Erin Henley, and I just showed you how to use cotton rounds to exfoliate the face.